Imagine looking up at the night sky in 2024 and witnessing a celestial event so rare it may only happen once in a lifetime. That's exactly what we could experience with Comet C2023-A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. This cosmic traveler is stirring up excitement among astronomers and skywatchers alike. Now, predicting the behavior of comets can be as tricky as forecasting the weather months in advance, full of uncertainties. But something about this comet has captured everyone's attention. It's not just any comet, it's potentially a once-in-a-lifetime event, and it's something you won't want to miss. Let's take a journey back to early 2023. It was during this time that Comet C2023-A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS was discovered. The discovery itself was quite remarkable, the result of a collaboration between the Purple Mountain Observatory in China and the Atlas Survey in South Africa. What makes this comet truly special is its origin. It comes from the Oort cloud, a distant region at the very edge of our solar system, packed with icy bodies that rarely make their way inward. This comet is what scientists call dynamically new, meaning it has never ventured close to the sun before. This first journey into the inner solar system makes it a rare and unique opportunity for us to witness something extraordinary. When this comet was first spotted, it was incredibly far from the sun, about 7.2 astronomical units away, just beyond the orbit of Jupiter. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 1.1 billion kilometers away. At such a distance, the comet was just a faint speck in the sky, with a magnitude of 18. But even then, its discovery hinted at the potential for something special. Because this comet has never been close to the sun before, it's packed with volatile materials, like carbon monoxide, that haven't been burned off by previous close encounters. This makes it a prime candidate for putting on a spectacular show as it heats up and gets closer to our star. Now, let's talk about the comet's journey. Unlike most comets, Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS is traveling along a path that's as unique as it is fascinating. It's following a highly inclined retrograde orbit. What does that mean? Well, it's moving around the sun in the opposite direction to the planets, a trait typical of comets that come from the Oort cloud. This unusual trajectory adds an extra layer of excitement because it's a path we don't often see, and it could lead to some surprises as the comet interacts with the sun's intense radiation and the solar wind. As the comet continues its journey, it's expected to make its closest approach to the sun, what astronomers call perihelion, on September 27, 2024. At that point, it will be about 0.39 AU from the sun, or approximately 58 million kilometers. Just a couple of weeks later, on October 12, 2024, the comet will make its closest approach to Earth, coming within 0.472 AU, or roughly 70.6 million kilometers from our planet. One of the most intriguing aspects of this journey is that the comet is on a hyperbolic trajectory. This means that after this close encounter with the sun, it might be flung out of the solar system entirely, never to return. That makes this event truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The comet's appearance will coincide with some other remarkable celestial events. On September 30th and October 1st, 2024, the comet will pair with a waning crescent moon, offering a beautiful visual treat for skywatchers. And if that's not enough, just a day later, on October 2nd, 2024, an annular solar eclipse will take place. From certain locations in the southern hemisphere, viewers will have the rare chance to witness both the comet and the eclipse at the same time, creating an unforgettable experience. However, as with all comets, predicting exactly how bright Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS will become is a challenge. Comets are known for being unpredictable, and even small changes in their structure can lead to vastly different outcomes. Early in 2024, there were concerns that the comet might not live up to expectations. It seemed to be underperforming, and some astronomers worried that it could disintegrate before reaching perihelion. This wouldn't be the first time a comet has disappointed. Remember Comet Ison in 2013? It was hyped as the comet of the century, but ended up disintegrating as it approached the sun. But there's still hope for Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, and it comes in the form of a phenomenon known as forward scattering. This occurs when sunlight passes through the dust particles of a comet, potentially boosting its brightness. If this happens, it could create a spectacular display, especially given the comet's high speed of 8.74 kilometers per second relative to Earth. As the comet races across the sky, it could dazzle us with its brilliance, making it a sight to remember. As the comet gets closer to Earth, it will pass through the LASCO C3 field of view on the SOHO spacecraft between October 7th and 10th. This is an exciting period for astronomers because SOHO will be able to capture detailed images of the comet, including its tail and any potential outbursts. These images will provide valuable data and help scientists better understand the comet's behavior as it interacts with the solar environment. After this brief stint in SOHO's view, the comet will reappear in the evening sky, just in time for its closest approach to Earth on October 12th. This is when the comet is expected to be at its brightest, potentially reaching a magnitude of 2 to 3, making it visible to the naked eye under dark skies. For those of you eager to witness this cosmic spectacle, the best times to observe the comet will be during the late September and early October mornings if you're in the northern hemisphere. After October 12th, once the comet has made its closest approach to Earth, it will be visible in the evening sky. To catch the full splendor of the comet's tail, you'll need a clear view of the eastern or southwestern horizons, depending on the time of observation. And if you have a good pair of binoculars or a telescope, you're in for an even more spectacular experience, with the chance to see the intricate details of the comet's structure. For those of you who love photography, this comet presents a golden opportunity. Imagine capturing stunning images of the comet paired with celestial objects like the moon, Venus, or nearby stars. It's a dream scenario for astrophotographers, offering the chance to create images that will be shared and admired for years to come. The comet's potential for a bright display, combined with its unique trajectory and the timing of other celestial events, could result in some truly spectacular photographs. Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS is already drawing comparisons to Comet Neowise, which thrilled skywatchers in July 2020 with its peak brightness of magnitude 1, making it visible to the naked eye. Just like Neowise, forward scattering could help enhance Tsuchinshan-ATLAS's brightness, creating a breathtaking display that could rival or even surpass Neowise's. While nothing is guaranteed when it comes to comets, the potential for something extraordinary is certainly there. But the excitement doesn't end with the comet itself. Following Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS's appearance, another celestial event is set to grace our skies, the Orionid meteor shower. This meteor shower, which peaks in late October, is caused by debris from Halley's comet and could offer another opportunity for stargazers to enjoy a cosmic show just weeks after the comet's closest approach. The combination of these two events makes the fall of 2024 a particularly exciting time for anyone with an interest in the night sky. As with all comets, there's an element of unpredictability that adds to the excitement. Whether Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS dazzles us with a bright, forward-scattered display or quietly fades away into the cosmic void, one thing is certain: this is a unique opportunity to witness a rare visitor from the Oort cloud on its possible one-time journey through the inner solar system. It's the kind of event that reminds us of the vastness and beauty of our universe and the wonders that await those who take the time to look up and explore. As we move through 2024, both seasoned astronomers and casual stargazers alike have something to look forward to. The fall of 2024 promises to be an exciting time for comet watching, with Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS leading the charge. Whether you're an experienced sky watcher or someone who simply enjoys looking up at the stars, this comet could be the highlight of the year. It's a chance to witness something truly special, a moment when the vastness of space reveals one of its many wonders to us here on Earth. So as the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, make sure to set aside some time to watch the skies. Whether you're in it for the scientific curiosity or just the sheer beauty of the night sky, Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS offers an experience that's not to be missed. Grab your binoculars, set up your camera, or simply find a comfortable spot to gaze up at the stars. You never know. This comet just might surprise us all with a show that will be talked about for generations to come.